Wow, Leo! It's even bigger than I imagined! I love these little streets. They're so charming and full of surprises.
I agree. Every corner is a photo opportunity.
How is yours? Mine is melting already.
It's incredible.
You've got a little on your nose.
Hello, and welcome back to Zoe Talk.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Leo. We make videos to help you practice English.
Please, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and like this video. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. Today we are talking about a very exciting topic.
That's right. Today we are talking about travel. We are going to imagine a trip to a beautiful city.
Paris. We are talking about travel to Paris.
So, Leo, how are you today?
I am very good, Zoe. And you?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is nice today.
It is. It makes me think about holidays, about travel.
Me too. I love to travel. Did you travel last weekend, Leo?
Last weekend, no, I did not travel. I stayed home. I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, that is not so exciting.
No, it is not. But this weekend, I have a plan. I want to go to the park. Maybe I can imagine it is Paris.
That is a funny idea. A Paris park. What about you, Zoe? What did you do last weekend?
I visited my family. We had a big dinner. It was very nice. But now I am ready to talk about a bigger trip.
Perfect. Let's talk about Paris.
Okay, so let's imagine we want to go to Paris. What is the first thing we do?
First, we need a plane ticket. We need to book a flight.
Yes, I always look for flights on the internet. I like morning flights.
Really? I like night flights. I can sleep on the plane.
You sleep on planes? I am always too excited. I watch movies.
I watch one movie, then I sleep. So, we book our flights. Then we need a hotel.
Or maybe an apartment. I like small apartments in Paris. They are called rentals.
Vacation rentals? Yes, they are good. Sometimes they have a small kitchen.
That is good. Then we can buy food from a market and eat at home sometimes.
Good idea. So, flight, apartment, what next?
We need to pack our bags. What do you pack for Paris, Leo?
Clothes, of course. Good shoes, walking shoes. In Paris, you walk a lot.
Yes, you do. Comfortable shoes are very important. I also pack a map.
A map? You use your phone, Zoe.
I know, but I like a paper map too. It is romantic. And a camera?
Me too. And my phone charger, very, very important. And an adapter.
Adapter? Oh, right. The plugs are different in France.
Yes, you need an adapter for your charger. If you forget, you have a problem.
Good thinking. I also pack an umbrella. The weather can change quickly.
Smart. I pack a small backpack for day trips and a water bottle.
Okay, so our bags are ready. Now we go to the airport.
The airport is big. First, we show our passports at the check-in desk. Yes, and after that, we drop our luggage. I always worry about my suitcase.
Why?
I feel like it will get lost.
Don't worry, Zoe. It always arrives safely. Most of the time.
Most of the time, Leo?
I'm joking. Your suitcase will be fine.
Okay. After check-in, we go to security.
Yes, we put our bags, phones, laptops, everything in the trays.
And then we walk through the scanner. I always feel nervous, even though I did nothing wrong.
Same. It feels like an exam.
After security, we look for our gate.
And we wait. I always buy snacks.
Me too. Airport snacks are expensive, but I still buy them.
I buy a sandwich and a drink. What about you?
I buy chocolate. Always chocolate.
That sounds like a good travel tradition.
It is. Okay, now we are on the airplane.
I sit by the window. I love the view.
I sit on the aisle. I like to stand up easily.
When the plane takes off, I always feel excited.
I feel a little scared, but also excited.
During the flight, I sleep.
I watch movies, and I try to read a book.
Do you finish the book?
I watch one movie, then I sleep.
So we book our flights, then we need a hotel.
After many hours, we finally land in Paris.
Yes, we get off the plane and go to passport control.
The officer asks questions like, "Why are you visiting Paris?"
And we say, we're here for vacation.
After that, we collect our luggage from the carousel.
I always wait nervously for my suitcase to come out.
And when it appears,
It feels like victory.
now we leave the airport and look for a taxi or train.
Paris has a very good train system. I like taking the train to the city.
Me too. The ride is beautiful. We arrive at our apartment building. We check in.
And then we open the window and see the beautiful Paris streets.
The balconies, the cafes, the trees, everything looks magical.
After putting our bags down, I want to eat something.
Me too. Let's go find a small cafe.
We walk down the street and choose a cozy cafe with outdoor tables.
We sit outside. The weather is perfect.
I order a croissant.
And I order hot chocolate. Paris hot chocolate is famous.
Yes, it's very rich and creamy.
After eating, we take a walk to explore the city.
And our first stop is...
I always get excited about this next part of our plan. Our first stop is...
the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower looks amazing from far away. But when we get closer, it looks even bigger.
I can't believe how tall it is. My neck hurts from looking up.
Same. Let's take some pictures before we go up.
Good idea. Okay, Zoe, smile.
Wait, my hair is in my face.
The Paris wind is strong today.
Now let's go to the ticket line.
It's long, but we can talk while we wait.
What is the first thing you want to do after going up?
I want to look at the whole city. Maybe I can find our apartment from up there.
I want to look at the whole city. Maybe I can find our apartment from up there.
That would be funny, like a real treasure hunt.
Finally, it's our turn. We get into the elevator.
My stomach feels funny. We are going up so fast.
Look, Zoe, the view.
Wow, all of Paris. The river looks like a silver ribbon.
I can see small cars and tiny people.
Let's take a picture together.
Okay, say Paris.
Paris.
After looking around, let's go to a cafe near the tower. I'm thirsty.
Yes, walking makes me hungry.
We find a small cafe with red chairs outside.
It looks perfect. Paris cafes are so cute.
It looks perfect. Paris cafes are so cute.
I'll order a fresh orange juice.
And I'll take a cold lemonade.
The waiter brings our drinks.
So refreshing.
And look at all the people walking by. So many tourists.
I hear so many languages. French, Spanish, English.
Paris is truly international.
I love to go to Paris every weekend.
Yeah, it's a very pretty place.
So I think next time we have to talk about another pretty place.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay, Zoe, see you in next video.
Okay, Zoe, take care.
Bye.
Bye.